In the last video, I showed how I set up a sprint using GitHub and project boards and issues. This is now 10 days later, the sprint's done, and I'll show you what it looks like once I'm finished. So again, I have my backlog in an issue. I have it pinned at the top here. Let's just click that. So this is the sprint that I had. I was basically, this Epic 2 is the one thing I was working on, and actually it was not just that. Sorry, go back. It was mainly Epic 1. There was Epic 2. It was Epic 1 and Epic 2, but the big work was in the Epic 2, which was all the things associated with getting the 2020 data into this package. And so these are all the stories that I was working through. And I had a project board. Let's see here, my project board. You can see it's closed. This is it, the sprint. So everything's in the done column, but it started over here. And then as I tackled things, the different stories, I would just move them either to in progress, and then I had the individual task here that I needed to plug away at, and just sort of working through those. And, you know, it was a bit of planning here, but it kept me on track so that today I was able to release a workable version of this package with the 2020 data. If we go back to my project backlog, I still have a bit of cleanup to do, but I realized for the 10 days that I had, I wasn't going to be able to get it absolutely perfect. So I had to think ahead of really what I could accomplish in the 10 days. And then as things popped to mind that I would like to do, but they weren't on, you know, the sprint I was doing right now, I just kept adding them to the issues and setting those aside. There are things I didn't have to work on right away, but I want to make sure when I do the next sprint, this is kind of the polishing up stuff, that I know exactly what I need to do. All right.